Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to go live on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to go live on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and after opening your Instagram app guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see the plus icon or the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that plus icon or the button, and over here guys we will be required to go to the live section of Instagram. To do that, at the bottom of the screen you can see guys, there is the posts, and this is the story, reel, and the live. Over here we will be required to go to the live, and let's go to the live. So guys, I'll be just covering my camera. Now in order to go live guys, you'll be just required to tap on the capture icon at the middle of the screen, but you can choose your preferences from over here by tapping on these items. First we can go to the settings of the Instagram. You can see all of these options available. Go through these, and then after choosing your preferences, tap on the live or this button at the middle of the screen at the bottom and just above the live, and you will go live on Instagram. And with that being said guys, this is how to go live on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.